Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys are having a great day. We're at it again. Today is Tuesday, believe it or not. We're 5 days till Christmas. We're doing a duct job. This client found us online and booked with us about 2 weeks ago. They just bought a house in Waterloo, Illinois. And we're doing it for them today. And they're just our minimum of $575. And let me show you what we're doing. This area here, we already got the other technician take care of the supplies right now. And it's going well, guys. We got the beast on the scene. And then we're gonna go downstairs and do the main trunk lines. This is an older home, so it's probably never been done based on the evidence that we found. But we're gonna go downstairs and do their main trunk lines down here. Let me show you. They updated the furnace, but they did not update the trunk lines. As you can see, definitely older. We're gonna take care of that today. A lot of evidence right here, as you can see, of particulates. Yeah, guys, we're gonna open up the end caps, do the supply, and then also do the return. This is already open for us. And then do the return area. So that's what we're doing. Hope you guys have a great day. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for results. And again, Merry Christmas. And don't forget to pay the fee and subscribe. All right, guys, let's go. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, let's go. Breathe better. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, we're doing the returns. You can see, look how dirty this is, guys. Check it out. This is the return, coated return. As you can see, it just goes on for days. And definitely needs some attention. And not good. All right, guys, this is the cold air return. As you can see, definitely needs some attention. As you can see, look how dirty that is, guys. Just goes down for days. Look at that. I got it cleaned up for him. See all the debris right there. See that? Yeah, buddy. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, open up the end cap of the supply. Check it out. This is the main trunk line downstairs. You can see, definitely some attention as expected. Check it out, guys. Yeah, buddy. Stay tuned. All right, guys, all clean, all is well. Facebook, YouTube, we're on the main trunk line of the return. Look at all the goodies we found here. Look at that, guys. This has never been done. This is an older home, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that buildup, guys. A little closer, look at that. Isn't that gross? This is why you need our service. Call AO Cleaning today so you can breathe better, so you're not breathing that stuff. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's a wrap. As you can see, everything looks good. This was the dirtiest return we've done in a long time. As you can see, everything responded well. Now the client can breathe better in her new home she purchased for her and her family. And if you guys have the need, don't forget to give AO Cleaning a call for your duct cleaning needs, as well as dryer vents and sanitation. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell and pay the fee. Like and subscribe to YouTube. Also follow us on our Facebook channel, as well as Instagram. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sanitation. All right, guys, all finished up. We just got done sanitizing everything. And we always recommend leaving the thermostat running for about 30 minutes so it can cycle through after the sanitation. But yep, all is well. She's excited and cleaned for another 5 to 7 years. And most clients ask how often you should get it done when you buy a house, have a baby, remodel, or if you're sensitive to allergies, or if it hasn't been done in 7 years, give us a call. More often, if you have pets and kids, is what we recommend. Otherwise, if there's no children or pets, then I just recommend every 7 years. Otherwise, with kids and pets, at least every 3 to 5 years. All right, guys, hope that added value to you. Don't forget to like and share, and have a great day. Merry Christmas.